this is Shriyan, and today I am back with another video to show you how can we use OBS Studio as our screen recorder. So OBS Studio is one of the most powerful screen recorder, and it is free and 100% free. So first, to download this, you should go to the site called obsproject.com. There you will find an interface like this. So to open this site, you don't need to type everything, but click on the link in the description. So here the interface will look like this, and you'll have three buttons here so that you can download the software for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So it will be supportable or compatible for all the three operating systems. Now, coming to the download, go to download and you will find other options for downloading. So for example, if you have a Windows 32-bit, you can download it here, and if you have Mac OS, you can download it with various options. So now I already have the OBS Studio app and I am going to open it. So here I have the OBS Studio open. So OBS Studio will look like this, and here you will have few tabs. The first one is scene. So scene is the most important thing which we need to start. We need to start our screen recording. So I already have a scene with me. So I already have. So if you want to add any scenes, please click on plus, and you will be directed to add or rename it. So I'll add scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you click on OK, as you see, it will be the other scene will be created. So for now, I don't want this scene, so I'll remove it. And now coming to sources. Sources are the things where you will add your video or any other things, and I'll come back to it in a few minutes. And coming to the next two tab, which is controls, here you can exit the app, go to settings, go to studio mode. So studio mode is nothing but it will show you the preview and it will show you the program. So here you can start recording and you can start streaming. So to stream, first you need to go to file and go to settings. So when you go to settings, you will find a tab called stream, and there you will find all the options which we need to stream our video. So if you are streaming it in YouTube, you should select YouTube. If you want to stream in Twitch, you can stream there. So now I have YouTube or YouTube gaming, and the server will already be picked up. And now here is the stream key. So the stream key is the key where it will direct you to the place where we are going to stream it. So now I want to if you don't know how to get a stream key, click on get stream key, and you will be opened with the YouTube Studio where you can stream live. So as you see, it is showing here, so you can say something. So here is the stream key, so you can reset it, you can copy it. So when you click on copy and go to OBS Studio and paste it here. This is how we do live streaming. Then we have the audio mixer. The audio mixer is something where we add the audio of the desktop, or even we can add the audio of our mic. So now coming to sources. So to add a source, click on plus. Then you will find a pop-up, and here you can add an audio, you can add a browser, you can add a display, you can add a game, you can add an image, you can add a slideshow, you can add text, you can add video, you can add many more. So for now, I will tell you how to capture your whole screen. So click on screen capture and you will find this, and you can rename it. I'll rename it as screen 1. And then the screen will show up here, and it is asking for our permission to OK. So I'll click on OK, and finally we have got the OBS Studio here. And for now, the screen is not in a perfect mode to show up everything. So if you have something like this, right click on it and click on resize. And it will be resized to the exact size of your screen. Now as you see, we have the screen, and to record only one window, we need to add a window capture. So for now, I will remove this and I'll click on yes. So click on add and you will find window capture at the bottom. So when you click on that, you can rename it. I'll rename it as screen 2. Then here it is asking for you to select whatever site or window which you want to open. So I'll open Chrome, and as you see, we have the Chrome ready here. And click on OK. And as you see, we have the empty black bar here. This black bar is the taskbar which has been cut from the video. So to remove that and open this video without this black bar, right click on it and you will find the options and click on resize. So that it will be resized to the exact size of the screen. Okay, so now we are going to record it. So I'll click on start recording. I'll go to Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Shriyan, and today I'm going to tell you how can you close a tab in Chrome. So click on this cross button and you will be closed with that tab. And if you close all the tabs once, the Chrome will be closed. If you want to add a new tab, click on plus and you will be opened with a new tab. Thank you for watching this video. So this is how you record a video in OBS Studio. So to see where this has been recorded, click on File and click on Show Recordings. So it will show all the recordings. These are all the recordings which I have done before, and it will store your videos in the videos folder of your Windows. So this is the video which we have recorded. I'll go to Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Shriyan, and today I'm going to tell you how can you close a tab in Chrome. So click on this cross button and you will be closed with that tab. And if you close all the tabs once, the Chrome will be closed. If you want to add a new tab, click on plus and you will be opened with a new tab. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, that was a short video on closing the tabs of Chrome. Okay, so this is how we record a screen in OBS Studio. So if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.